Please call your next witness.
State calls Officer Walker.
Officer Walker, come forward. Watch your step. Stand right here, face your honor, raise your right hand.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth?
I do.
Please have a seat. Would you please state and spell your name for the jury?
Lee Walker, Leewalker.
And where are you employed?
Mr. Police Department,
And how long have you been with MPD?
31 years.
Where are you currently assigned?
Crime scene, Bravo shift.
And remind us, what is Bravo shift?
It's the day shift from 06:45 to 14:45.
Now, Officer Walker, how long have you been with crime scene?
16 years.
So is it fair to say you were in crime scene back on February 2nd of 2022?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, were you called out to 5255 Elvis Presley?
On that day, yes.
And what is at that location?
Walmart.
And when you why were you there?
At the request of the scene officers of the range station, also of the homicide division, to collect evidence.
And at some point in time, did you get information that this was regarding a missing baby?
Yes, it did.
Now, as part of your duties, the crime scene, do you take photographs?
Yes.
And did you do that in this case?
Yes, it did.
I'm going to hand you a stack of seven photographs. See if you recognize them.
Yes.
Are those photographs that you took at the Walmart on Elvis Presley on February 2nd of 2022?
Yes, they are.
Your Honor, I'd ask that those be the next exhibits numbered sequentially 125 through 131.
Yes, please. Now, Officer Walker, can you describe what we're seeing here?
That's a photograph of the camera system that's on the southwest corner of the Walmart building,
And are we talking about the back side of the Walmart?
backside.
Sorry, skipped on there. Okay. And what are we seeing in this photograph?
That's just a pullback shot of the same camera system.
And just
And that's the front of my work van.
Okay, and just for the record, we're looking at Exhibit 126, going to 127. What are we seeing here?
That's the actual backside of the Walmart, but there's a cluster of cameras above one of the doors that I was showing that there were cameras positioned throughout the backside of the building.
Is that one right there?
That's one of them, but down a little farther, right there.
Right there?
Yes.
And that's another camera?
There's several cameras.
Okay. And then looking at Exhibit 128, what are we seeing here?
Those are the dumpsters that are back there on the backside of the building. Also under the plastic bag was the car seat that the officers recovered. And also in the far distance, you can see the elementary school that is back there. They also have camera systems on them.
Okay. And was that plastic placed on the car seat to protect it?
Yes, because it was raining prior to my arrival.
Now, looking at 129, what are we seeing in this photograph?
That's a close-up of the car seat that's covered.
Now I'm going to show you what's previously been entered as Exhibit 15. Do you recognize this photograph?
Yes, that's the back of my van with the car seat placed in it.
All right. And did you take that photograph?
Yes, it did.
And Exhibit 130, what are we seing here?
That is one of the items that was inside the car seat when I covered it from the plastic.
And Exhibit 131.
That's the cover to the car seat that was up under the plastic when we recovered it.
Now, Officer Walker, along with taking photographs as part of your job to collect physical evidence,
Correct.
and did you do that in this case?
Yes, it did.
I'm going to hand you an item. And if you would take a look inside of that package. Officer Walker, before you completely unwrap that, do you recognize that item?
Yes, it is.
Is that the car seat that you collected at the Walmart on February 2nd, 2022?
Yes, it is.
All right, I ask that that be the next exhibit. And Officer Walker, did you collect some additional items?
Yes, I did.
I'm gonna hand you 3 envelopes, and if you would take a look and see if you recognize those items.
Yes.
Can you start with that first envelope?
Okay. First one says pacifier. And the reason why I know is because anything that I tag in, there's a description of the item, and I put my initials and my work employee number on it to verify that that's what I'm submitting.
And when you collect those items, do you actually then transport those to the Memphis Police Department property room?
Yes, I do.
Your Honor, I'd ask that the pacifier be the next exhibit. And what is the next envelope?
It says here, pink and white baby mitten, which has my initials and my IBM employee number.
And did you collect that item at the Walmart on February 2nd of 2022?
Yes, I did.
Your Honor, I'd ask that that be the next exhibit.
All right, for those keeping count, we are at exhibit 134 with pink and white baby mitten. Thank you.
And Officer Walker, that last item, do you recognize that?
Yes, it says pink and white baby blanket. It has my initials and my employee IBM number.
And did you also collect that item from the Walmart on February 2nd, 2022?
As soon as I open it up, I'll tell you. But I did place it in this paper bag.
And is that, in fact, the pink blanket that you photographed and collected that day?
Yes, it is.
I would ask that that be the next exhibit. Officer Walker ever sat down and published those items for the jury.
Hearing no objection.
No objection.
Go ahead, please, ma'am.
This is where, whenever I enter any item into evidence, I'll place my IBM number and my initials on these items to verify that later on when I come to court, if I have to come to court, that it shows that I personally did this myself. This one is the mid that I recovered from a car seat that day. And this was the blanket that was on the car seat the day that I was tasked to collect these items. The initials, the IBM employee number, and this was the pacifier that I collected that day. Want me to do the seat also?
Yes.
Okay. This is the cover that was over it, which was plastic that was over that, and this is the car seat that I recovered the day that I was tasked to make the scene at Walmart.